Good afternoon, students. Today we will start our third chapter. Our Earth's surface is made up of land and water. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, and the remaining 29 is covered with land. So basically, the land area is divided into continents, and the sea area is covered with water and then divided into oceans and seas. So, the landmass on the Earth's surface have different types of landforms. So, some are flat and some are raised. And now, the differences in the physical features are called relief. And the landmasses are grouped into mountains, plateaus, plains, desert, and rivers. How many types of landforms? Which are they? There are 5 types of landforms. They are mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, and rivers. Now, let us talk about the mountains. A natural elevation of the earth's surface is called mountains. What is a mountain? A natural elevation of the earth's surface is called mountain. Mountains are the huge land masses which rise steeply with the peaks rising to a few kilometers above the sea level. These are called mountain. About 24% of the land surface is covered with mountains. We all know mountains are differ in height and shape. Few are much higher and few are bit lower. According to their ages, mountains can be divided into 2 types. One is the old fold mountains and another is young fold mountains. The Alpine mountains in Europe, the Himalayas in Central Asia, the Rockies in North America, and the Andes in South America are very young mountains. They are very high and they have conical peaks. These old mountains, they are 200 million years old and they have rounded peaks. Why they have rounded peaks? Why they do not have the conical peaks? Because due to the erosional activities, these mountains have gentle slopes. Mountains are narrow, but they extend over hundreds of kilometers in length. Mountains have a harsh climate. It is not easy to build roads and houses in them. Mountains have a thin soil cover, hence agriculture cannot be practiced on a large scale. Few people live in the mountains. Why? Because mountains have a harsh climate. It is not easy to build roads and houses on them. Due to thin soil cover, farming is also not practiced. Now, as we discussed above, the young mountains, old mountains, the chain mountains, all these things. Then, importance of mountains. First one, natural barriers, that means they act as a wall. Second one, many rivers originate from the mountains. That means mountains are the main source of rivers. Third one, some mountains have large mineral deposits such as gold, silver, and many precious stones. Fourth one, the rocks found in mountains are often used as building materials. Fifth one, mountains also attract tourists. That means in the hot summer season when we get holidays, most of us we try to go to the hill stations. Why? Because the climate is much cool. That's all for today. Thank you.